Hi guys, Rebecca here, NCWQ. Just thought I would let y'all know we're looking at EMSC. Today is 11/27/2023 and the time is 5:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast of the United States. We are looking at EMSC and there was a 6.5 earthquake near the east coast of Papua New Guinea. Let's look at the seismic data for this earthquake real quick and see what we have listed here. We have 6.6, 6.6, 6.8, 6.5, 6.4, 6.7 down here. Let's see what we have as far as different sizes here. We have lower numbers here. See a 7.2, 7.1, 7.4, along with sixes, 7.2, 7.1, 6.7, 6.9. So reaching everywhere from 5.0 to 7.3 here. So I would say, yeah, it's probably around a 6.6, which is an average number, putting it right in the middle. So let's go back to our earthquake that occurred. And we'll look at it on Google Earth real quick. This earthquake was 12 kilometers deep. So we're going to put this into Google Earth. And we'll check out where this earthquake occurred. Now this is a junction here. This is the the Australia Pacific plate here. This is a continental transform fault. This is other. That's a good name for it. Other. Okay, not sure what that is, but it says other. But we'll go over here where it says continental rift boundary. This is subduction zone. Other runs down to Australian Pacific plate here, convergent boundary. So I'm going to think that this is probably part of the Australian Pacific plate. K, that runs up to the Pacific Australia plate, convergent boundary. Over here we have the Manus Trough. So we have interesting stuff within this area. We also have Blip Blip stratovolcano. We have Candivar, and we have Bam. Those are volcano islands in this region. And it looks like we have an underwater seamount here, as you can see here. Looks like a mountain underwater. Okay, so that is a real quick update. Let's look and see if we have anything else. Western Xinjiang had a 5.0. Central Peru had a 4.8. Pakistan had a 4.2. Uttar Pradesh, India had a 4.0. Central Italy a 2.1. And then we have earthquakes in Turkey. France had a 2.2. See if there's been anything else since this morning. Morocco, interesting. No location, no summary, but yet it's showing on the map here. That is interesting. Okay, so I'm guessing they must not have updated that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. Let's go look for it. Let's see if we can find Morocco. There we go. 6F Morocco 2.4. Wonder why it wasn't showing. 2.3, 1.9, 1.3, 1.4, 1.3. That is interesting. I know it's error, but it says error here, but it doesn't have anything there. But why would it be on the front page if it was not an earthquake? ML 2.4. It's strange that it was listed. Sorry, you guys. Y'all might hear a cat. All right, you guys. Hope y'all are doing well. Please check below my video for links. If you would like to help me with my fundraiser, I would very much appreciate it. I posted a video earlier today where you can find out about the fundraiser and another earthquake that happened earlier today. Anyways, you guys, much love, God bless, and I hope y'all have a great evening.